Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cecilia Owen. How are you doing today? In today's video, we will be making zucchini bread. Oh yeah, and here we have the pancake mix, we have the zucchini, and also we have the and chia seed. We have the vegetable oil, we have this avocado oil that we'll be using today, and we have eggs. Oh yeah. And we also have the milk, the liquid milk that we will be using. Oh, yeah. And we have the condensed milk. Oh, to make it yummy. Yeah. We have the yogurt. We'll be using this Greek yogurt to give it another flavorable taste. And again, we have the egg that we'll be adding. We have 6 eggs. And we have the pineapple to make it juicy. Zucchini pineapple bread. Oh, yeah. And again, we have the avocado organic oil, vegetable oil that we'll be adding. I have the cranberries here that I'll be adding to it. I also have the chia and flax seeds. Oh, yes, to make it super healthy. I have vegetable oil in that bottle. I have my stirrer, my mixer, the measure, and the pan that I'll be using. I'll spray that. Yeah. All right, let's dive in. So now the first thing I did was to wash the zucchini. You want to wash your zucchini. Then you can either grate the zucchini or you can blend it. But what I will be doing is to blend the zucchini with some of the ingredients. Yes. Again, you can grate the zucchini or you can blend it, but I will be blending. So now I have the zucchini in the blender. I added the pineapple. I added more zucchini. Then I'll be blending with small liquid 100% milk. Yeah, let's go. So I will blend this for a while. And the next thing I will do to make it more thickening is to add more zucchini. So I have a first set ready. So I'll cut more zucchini into this just to thicken it. And again, you can actually grate your zucchini if you don't want to blend it. But this is the method I'll be using. I added little milk into that. More pineapple. Then I blend this. And the first set of blending is done. Pour it into a bowl, lay down on it. Then I went ahead with a second set, blending, putting the zucchini, putting the pineapple, and blend this. Added more zucchini into this, and I blend this to make this healthy, delicious pineapple zucchini bread. Oh yeah, and this is ready. Now we have everything in the bowl ready. That is yummy. So I stir this up together and I will be adding the eggs. Yeah, I added the condensed milk to give it that taste. Healthy, but no more, not too much of sugar. Yeah, I added the yogurt to give it a flavor and to make the texture of the back of the zucchini bread moist. So I added 2 Greek yogurt into that. This is optional. So I added the flax, the chia, and the hemp seed. I added about 4 tablespoons because I want this to be showing in it. I added the dried nuts, the cranberry. I added that into it. Then I will be adding the egg. I use 6 eggs. So the quantity of the egg you'll be using depends on the quantity of the zucchini bread that you want to make. So the quantity and the measurements, I will leave that open to you, but just be sure you are measuring right. Now I added the avocado oil to still give it that moist and a very sweet taste. So I added the avocado vegetable oil. That was what I added there. I mix everything together. And this is almost done and ready. So I spray the pan. What I have in that spray bottle is oil. Then I use the scooper to mix it well so that everything is evenly distributed. Now here I'm adding the pancake mix. The reason why I use pancake mix was because it's already pre-made. Everything is there, baking powder, whatever you need. So I portioned this into the pan and I had almost 6 or 8 pounds of the zucchini bread. So I just portioned that into the pan and this is almost ready. And by the way, my oven was set at preheat at 350 degrees C. So the oven is already warm. And let's go to the oven. So now I cover this half with the foil. aluminium foil, and it's ready to go into the oven. And I'll be baking this for 20 minutes at 400 degrees C. And I'll see you. Let's see how that does. Yeah, that is it. Let me know if you're going to try this. And the bread is ready, yes. And I cut it out. Will you try this recipe? Let me know. Until next time, I love you. Bye for now. Yeah.